Welcome back, traders, to this channel. Today I have an amazing topic for you guys. So today we're talking about time frames. You see, some traders, they are still finding it difficult to analyze the chart because they don't know the kind of time frames that they will use, types of time frames they will use. So today I'm going to teach you guys a time frame that will make you profitable. You see, if you stay to the end of this video, I will teach you a time frame, that good time frames that will make you profitable. So I want you guys to stay to the end of this video and also click to my subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this, so that it's going to also reach out to other people and they also benefit from the knowledge you benefit from. So let's dive into the chart. You can see we are in the pair called GBP which is Great British Pound Japanese yen. So we are in the monthly time frame. You see, first, as a trader, you need to have it in mind that anytime you open your phone or your system to analyze, what needs to come into your mind is the direction of the market. You see, when you have the direction of the market in your mind, you open your chart and you see that, okay, the direction of the market is bullish. Nothing should remove that bullish from your mind. Nothing should remove that bullish from your mind. Just know that any setup you are looking down to the lower time frame need to be a buying setup, not a selling setup, because you have already go to the higher time frame to see that, okay, market is bullish. So you shouldn't go down to the lower time frame to check for a selling setup. That's a wrong decision to make. So you as a trader need to have it in mind that anytime you open your system, first thing, go to the higher time frame to spot the direction of the market. You can see I open my chart. The first thing I did was to go to the monthly time frame to spot the direction of the market. And again, as a trader, if you are new here and you don't know how to mark out all these time frames, let me teach you. You open your system. As you open your system, you click on this arrow here that is facing down. You click it and you are going to see different time frames. This is the monthly, this is the weekly, this is the daily. You can see I marked my monthly, weekly, daily to 3 minutes time frame. Those are my best time frames that I do use to analyze the market. For people that are using phone, I'm going to also show you guys how to analyze, how to mark out your time frame with your phone. So let's dive into the chart. You can see we are in the monthly time frame, and what are you seeing in the chart? Market is bullish. Market is bullish in the monthly time frame. So what do we expect in the market? First, let's analyze monthly time frame to see what is happening in the market. So in the monthly time frame, I got something here which is my market structure sheet. I got something which is my my supply zone. You see, you can see it's my supply zone. It's marked out very well, and here is my inducement from the monthly time frame. Here's my change of character, also called market structure sheets. There's no difference between market structure sheet and change of character. It's the same thing. You should not get yourself confused as a newbie. So we already know the direction of the market. From here you can see market has been bullish. From here up here. You can see market is going bullish on the monthly time frame. So let's go down to the weekly time frame to see if it's the same thing market is showing us. So I'm teaching you guys the good time frame that you use to analyze your market. So on the weekly time frame, you can see the same thing. We are having a break of structure to the upside, which is here was a break of structure, here was a break of structure, remember our overall trend is bullish. So what are we expecting in this market is for us to look for a buy, not a sell setup. We are not looking for a sell. So this is how bullish movement looks. It breaks to the upside, so we already know that okay, market is going up. So let's go down to the daily time frame to see for ourselves if it's the same thing with the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame. And you should have it in mind as a trader that it's not all the time frame that will sound the same thing. You can go to the weekly time frame and you will see bearish, and you go to the monthly time frame and you see bullish. But the major rule, you need to pen this down. The major rule of the market is whatsoever the monthly time frame is telling you is the direction of the market. Whatsoever the higher time frame is telling you is the direction of the market. But what I understand in my chart is anything a monthly time frame is telling me, the same thing daily time frame is telling me, the same thing weekly time frame is telling me. But I might go to the 4-hour time frame and I might see another thing, another structure. But once my monthly, weekly and daily time frame tells me that market is bullish or bearish, whatever my 4-hour time frame is telling me, I don't put attention into that. I focus on the monthly and the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, because I know that's the overall trend of the market. That's the overall time frame. You see, they see far. Daily, weekly and monthly make you to see higher view of what you are analyzing, of that page you are analyzing. That's why it's good to focus on the monthly, weekly and daily time frame as a trader. So you can see we are in the daily time frame, and what are we expecting in the market. So in the daily time frame, now you are going to analyze this together. In the daily time frame, you can see we have something here on the daily time frame. You can see that we have something here which is from here, let's say okay, from here was a change of character. But it doesn't look like a change of character to me. It doesn't look like a change of character because of, if you can tell me the reason why here doesn't look like a change of character, drop it in the comment section. So let's analyze this together. I'll start my analysis from here because of here was the high, and here there was the buy side liquidity, and here was the sell side. Here is the sell side liquidity. So since the sell side liquidity is not taken out yet, we are still on a bullish movement. So let's mark out our break of structure. Because this thing on the break. Okay, I spot something here. You can see here was a break of structure. I'm analyzing this thing for the month. Here was a break of structure, and something caused that break of structure, which was my demand zone from the higher time frame. My demand zone, and you can see market came in to tapping my demand zone. You see, market came to tapping my demand zone, and every demand zone always comes with a liquidity seal. Which is called my inducement. You see, my inducement, and here was the break of structure. This break of structure, this demand zone caused this demand zone was the reason of this break of structure, and market came in. After market went up to this level, it came down to tapping again, and here's the continuation of the flow. So since market gave us a break of structure, we are waiting for another break of structure, which is this one, and you can see this buy side liquidity has been taken. Hope you understanding this. The buy side liquidity has been taken from the market to show you that market is still on a bullish movement. So since the buy side liquidity has been taken on the market, now what are you waiting for? You are waiting for another buy position. So that's what you can see. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour daily, they are seeing the same thing, which is bullish movement. So now we are going to the 4 hours time frame. What are we looking for in this market? We are just looking for a buying setup, nothing more. A buying setup. So since this buy side liquidity has been taken and has caused a break of structure from the daily time frame, so now let's look for another break of structure from the 4 hour time frame. You can see I spotted this break of structure. And the reason of this break of structure was this demand zone. This was the reason of the break of structure. This demand zone here, this demand zone here caused this break of structure, and as you can see, a liquidity was formed, which is my inducement, which is my sell side liquidity. And for people that don't know how to use sell side liquidity, let me explain it. How to use sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. The rule of liquidity is when a sell side liquidity is being taken, and it's being swept out, it's being taken by the market, you wait for a buy confirmation to take a buy trade. When a buy side liquidity is being taken, pen this down, when a buy side liquidity is being taken, you wait for a sell confirmation to take a selling trade. You see, so this is a sell side liquidity. You can see a sell side liquidity, which is my inducement, and this is my break of structure. This is my break of structure, and this my demand zone was the cause of this break of structure. This my demand zone was the cause of this break of structure. So like this now, I'm going to wait for this sell side liquidity to be taken, then I wait for a buy confirmation. I wait for a buy confirmation. When I see a buy confirmation, boom, I will take the trade. And the buy confirmation is like this. Let me draw it for you guys. The buy confirmation is like this. I'm going to wait. If market eventually come in here to take this buy side liquidity, then I'll wait for it to give me a market structure sheet, bounce back, tap me in, and we'll go straight up. You see, this is what I'm waiting for in the market. I'm waiting for something like this in the market. When I see this confirmation, I'm going to take the trade. So this is how to use higher time frames. You see, if you are using SMC strategy and you want to succeed in this game, use higher time frame. Should be your friend. Make the higher time frame your friend. Once the higher time frame is your friend, your trade won't go against you. You can't just, since the monthly time frame is telling us buy, and you go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you are seeing sell and you want to take a sell trade. You have go against the overall trend. You have go against the overall trend. You should not go against the overall trend as a trader. If you want to succeed in this game, don't go against the overall trend. Wait, follow the main trend of the market that the higher time frame is telling you. Then whatsoever weekly time frame the lower time frame is telling you, whatsoever the lower time frame is telling you, just be sure it's aligned with what the higher time frame is saying. So I want you guys, you can't, some traders, they are going to, for me, if I'm analyzing this, I will just stop in 4-hour time frame because of I've already see my buying setup that I want to take, and I'll be targeting this buy side liquidity. Because of we are in a bearish market, and this is the main sell side liquidity that cannot be taken, which we all know. This is the main sell side liquidity that cannot be taken. Sell side liquidity, and here is the buy side liquidity that cannot be taken. Buy side liquidity that can be taken. So if this sell side liquidity is being taken, then we know that this market is about to change direction and is no longer bullish but bearish. But since the higher time frame is telling us that market is still bullish, and there's a zone ahead of us, you can see the zone here ahead of us from the monthly time frame. So you as a trader, we just need to continue to take the buy until we reach that zone, then before we can take a sell. So if it's something that they will continue to analyze. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that yes, our analysis is very, very correct. You can see the break of structure very well, very, very correct. The inducement, you can see it very well, you see. So you guys, please, I want you guys to watch this video again and again, like and share, comment what you understand. In case you are finding it difficult, also comment down below, and I want you guys support in this platform.